Let's take a real quick peek at Tesla on the monthly chart. We have been talking about this really strong level of support around that 160, 163 area. We were able to push below this month, but we just could not hold. We popped right back above and are holding that 160 as support. Moving into the next few weeks, I would love to see us get a nice push off of this area, just like we did here. We got a great strong push and we had 3 months moving up. We tapped that next upper trend line. So I would love to see us take that same push here off the 160 and head up to that trend line, which sits about 235 now. Obviously, it would be amazing to break and continue to run, but I'm watching for a 160 to 235 potential in the next couple months. Let's take a peek really quick over at the weekly chart. The weekly is definitely interesting to take a peek at because we've been holding inside this downward channel right here for a little bit now. You can see each time we've tapped it, we've pulled back up. This last week, 2 weeks ago, we pushed all the way down to that bottom trend line. The following week, we pushed below just a tad, and then look what we did last week. We just pushed all the way back to the top trend line and stopped. So I would love to see this week moving forward if we can get above that 168 to 169 and hold. So 169, we could have a break to the upside. If we don't break and hold that 169, 170 area, we could get a push all the way back down to that lower trend line, and that lower trend line is going to sit about 139. So we could see another dip if we can't push and hold above. So that's kind of what I'm looking at moving into this next week, is which direction are we going to continue to go? Are we going to get some continuation to the upside, or are we going to stay within this weekly downward channel and push right back down to 139?